Hi everyone, my name is Miss Cavo. I wanted to put together this brief video the day before the first day of school and explain to you what this school year might look like, at least for the first few months. I actually am not going to be there tomorrow for personal health reasons. I will be teaching virtually this year, or at least for the first few months of the school year. And when you enter into the school building and eventually go throughout the day and find your way to either English 3 Advanced or Public Speaking, which is what I'll be teaching, you'll be going to room 16. There will be another teacher there who is expected to help out with attendance or maybe any technical issues you might have, or even write a pass for you for the bathroom or to go to the nurse. I'm not too sure who that teacher is going to be just yet. It might rotate each day, but either way, there will be someone in the room with you while I attempt to connect with you and teach to you virtually. So tomorrow, when you attend, or tomorrow or Friday, whenever it is that you're supposed to meet with me, you will you'll go to room 16, or you'll log in from home if you are the second half of the alphabet, and you will access the Zoom invitation that I'm about to email to you, and we'll get started on working academically virtually. So it'll be something that's a little bit of a continuation from the end of last school year, but I did a lot of work throughout the summer focusing on how to improve my own skills and practices when it comes to the teaching component. It's definitely disheartening that I won't be able to connect with each of you in person to start the beginning of the school year, but I desperately hope that by the end of the school year, I will be back in the classroom with you. So, with that said, please look for my Zoom invitation, which I'm about to send out, and I will be online throughout the whole day tomorrow, especially during the live Zoom session. Um, as you come prepared for the school day tomorrow, the most essential thing for you to have is a charged computer and headsets or headphones so that when the class logs in to Zoom virtually and together, there's no completely awkward feedback on your computers. So you'll need to plug in your headsets so that we're each able to connect one on one, but also in a group setting, if that makes any sense. So make sure you have a headset on you, and if you don't have a headset, you can find the tech guys tomorrow during school, and they should have extras to provide for you. And tomorrow in the classroom, you will receive your textbook to take home with you. And I'll send out also a Google spreadsheet so you can type in your name and your textbook number so that we have that for record keeping purposes. This textbook is on the larger side, but it is something that you need to carry around with you each day that you attend class in person in the building. And you also will need to take it home when you are at home doing the virtual instruction component. So, with that said, I will see you all tomorrow when we are expected to meet during our particular class time. And if I'm not seeing you tomorrow, then I'll see you on the rotating schedule. So, I'm really excited. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm definitely looking forward to meeting all of you virtually. So, talk to you soon.